I got to give you it straight, man. Like,
let's be real.
Let's be real. Like, that's what this show is all about. Like, there's no sugar coating it. There's no putting. It's just let's tell you the way that it is.
Okay.
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 On Snapchat from Zane1998AK says, my question is, can one out-train a diet? My diet is very bad. I know I have to eat, so you get the point. Can you out-train a bad diet?
Did you say why it's so bad?
Hell of a lot of grains because his family cooks for him. It's the same stuff. So let's just get right to the answer.
So can one out-train a bad diet? I would say no. Unfortunately, it's just your diet is really the number one thing when it comes to how you look, how you feel, how you perform. Basically just your general overall health. What you eat is so vital.
I got to give you it straight, man. Like,
let's be real.
Let's be real. Like, that's what this show is all about. Like, there's no sugar coating it. There's no putting. It's just let's tell you the way that it is. Now, my boy Kyle Lowry from the Toronto Raptors is an all-around athlete, NBA All-Star. Last year, he was chubby. He had the body fat on him. Yeah. And he's an athlete, so he's training in the gym all the time. He's like overkilling the workouts. And he was going at nighttime to have fast food, and it got out of control. This year, he hired a personal chef, and he got his body fat down to 5%. And this year, he's having the best playing season of his career, although he's sucking in the playoffs, which is killing me. But no, the point is, man, you can't out-train a bad diet, and it's also not just from performance, from physique. It's just your overall health. Diet is everything. We always say it's like 80%, 20% working out. You can't do it.
Yeah, the whole 80-20 thing is out there, but I really think, I love the saying that it's not 80-20. It's 100% and 100%. Like, if you really want to get 100% results, then you give your diet 100% and your workouts 100% of your attention. There's no like skimping on one and making up for it with the other. You know, if you want to have a bad diet, that's okay. You can do that, but just know that the results are going to be disappointing. Like, you're not going to be happy with the outcome. So yeah, that's, like he said, why we do these shows, why we do what we do. We're trying to promote to the entire world to have a better diet because it leads to better outcomes.
And it doesn't mean you have to be perfect, like we always say. Like I said earlier, I had a pizza, but I killed it today with my workouts. I ate healthy the rest of the week, so you can find that balance.
Yeah, we're not perfectionists, but it's just about making progress and doing the best that you can given the situations that you have. So do your best to eat healthy. I know it's hard, but it is so worth it.
Yeah.